I am Padma Srinivasan. I am applying for the National Award instituted by the MHRD as a history teacher. About my regularity in school. I truly believe that punctuality is a sign of true professionalism, and it helps an employee stand out as a reliable and a trustworthy asset to an institution. I have always felt that all departments of a school cannot stand alone and are interlinked for the smooth functioning of the school on any given project. Unless all work is in tandem, the project cannot reach its culmination, and I have always believed in working diligently and sincerely towards it. I feel as a teaching faculty, we should not claim leave given to us as a matter of right, but rather as a privilege when needed. I have been making a conscious effort not to avail all the given leave because I feel that we do get a lot of holidays in our workplace. I also feel that the teaching faculty in school, when they take leave, the work suffers, and the teachers should be more conscious of that. The syllabus of a school includes curricular and co-curricular activities which are planned much in advance. And if the teacher takes leave, then these planned activities are bound to suffer. I have understood these nuances and have made a sincere effort to avoid taking leave and take it only when it is unavoidable. I believe that to teach the younger teachers in the school the same values, one has to lead by example. Because I couldn't demand respect, I realized it has to be commanded. The teachers in school knew I was not preaching because they knew I was exactly doing what I am saying to them as well. They knew I tried everything first and then only I advocated to them. Regularity is something that helps us keep our work in order and also gain the respect of others. I believe that it is impossible to get good results from students if the teacher isn't regular. It is imperative that the teachers keep regularity as a principle and follow it religiously, because the children otherwise may just follow us and do the same. I have been very proud to have given very good results in class 12 board examinations. We should never consider teaching merely as a vocation. It should in fact be seen by all of us as something which is an essential part of us, and have passion. We are dealing with human beings and growing human beings and not with machines and computers. A teacher's irregularity hampers the achievement level of the student. The students in public schools give better results owing to the stricter rules enforced by the school. One has been regular to work and has been extremely lucky in being able to complete the work and attend all meetings and targets laid down on time. I have been of the opinion that a teacher's attendance to classes is an integral component of one's ethos and value systems, the value systems that we convey to the students as well. A constant supervision and monitoring will help us maintain this as an institution. And if there is a drop in attendance, this has to be arrested at the inception itself. A regular teacher can bring about a vast change in other people's lives. It is rightly said that a teacher can make or break a student's life. I have started believing that in one lifetime, if a teacher can change the life of one child, the aim and objective of choosing this profession is well served.